Good morning, children. In today's class, we will discuss on history. First thing, what is history? History is that event happened in the past. History is an event that happened in the past. Past means not many years ago, many thousand years ago. Yesterday is our history. Yesterday is also our history. And now, present time, it will be history on tomorrow. So, those events happened in our past, that is called history. Now, on what we discussing are that how can we find all those events by scriptures means written books, by evidence like coins and all that things we got time to time when we are doing something and we found something like in the digging to the earth. When we found something, then we researched on that and found that what it is and how it become and what is the story of that, and all that thing we discuss in the history. Our today's chapter is tracing changes. Now, changes, tracing changes. You know what is the meaning of changes? Changes क्या क्या हुए, ट्रेसिंग करना है हमें क्या करना है? चेंजेस. As you see, many years ago, many means from today to 200 years back ago and 300 years, you heard about the kings and kingdoms. Many kings were here on India and about their kingdoms, but the time changes. Now we have government, the democratic government, so the way, the rule is also changed. The way of rules is also changed. So that thing we have to trace, as you studied in the previous class, the history. That was the history named ancient history. Ancient history. And in this chapter and in this class, in the whole 7th class, we will discuss about medieval history. Now, what is ancient history and what is medieval history? To discuss on that, first we will see that how the time passes and time runs. For example, this is the point of this point is showing that where we are. So for example, this point is showing what is the date? 15th December 2020. So this point is showing where we are now. We are here, and what is the date of today? 15th December 2020. From here, now we will go in the past. So in the past, then we will go back. Seventeen hundred. Then again 1200. Then 500. Then 300. Then 0. When we go in the past, जब हम पास्ट में जाते हैं, from today, we start our journey from today. So in that we come here 300 years in the past, then 1700, then 500 more, then 300 and 500. How many? 800. So from today 800 years back, 1200, then again 700, again 300, 200, and then 300, and we reach at where? We reach on 0. Listen it carefully. We reach where? On 0. On 0. Now, have you ever imagined that 0 is here? Then before 0, what is there? Before 0, what were there? Have you ever imagined? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि यहाँ 0 से पहले क्या होगा? Were there nobody? No history? No, there were somebody, and there was a history. So before 0, we will go upside. Now the time goes in more past, but now from 0 to here 300, then 500, then 1000, then 2000, 4000, then 5 million or crore, 5 crore years back, where the earth formed in this, form. So here we are. Now we start our journey from today. We go in the past, back on 0. We reach on 0. But after that we start our journey before 0. Then we reach 300, 500, 1000, 2000, 4000 and 5 crore years back, where the earth exists. From our earth existed on 5 crore years back. Our earth created, or earth formed today's form. So here in the previous class you studied from here 4000. Now how can we differentiate between 300 this one and 300 this one? Before 0, after 0. Then we will put some symbols like BC or BCE. Okay, here AD or CE, AD or CE. Now if I am writing this time any year like 365 BC, then I am pointing this line. If I am writing 365 CE or AD, then I am pointing this time. अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ 365 BC, then I am pointing this one, this time of period before zero. BC or BCE means before zero, and AD and CE means after zero. So what is zero? Zero is the life of Jesus Christ. Life of Jesus Christ. Life of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is a God of Christians. So life of Jesus Christ, that is the zero. So before the life of Jesus Christ, that symbol by BC and BCE, and after the life of Jesus Christ, AD or CE, AD or CE. So this is the time travel in the past. This is the time travel in the past. So with the time changes, as you have studied in that, here the history start. History start means the evidence found here. Evidence found here that before 4000 BC people lived here. Evidence found that 4000 BC people live on the earth, were living on the earth. So that is the evidence showing that any pot found here on the earth, and the research shows that this pot is made before 6000 years. Now 6000 means 2000 this one and 4000 this one, then on 4000 BC. then अब यहाँ पर इसको हम ऐसे करेंगे जैसे 2000 years तो ये हो गए, ये कितने हो गए, ये लाइन 2000 years की हो गई. अब ये लाइन से वो अलग है, इसमें ऐड करना होगा. अब हम अगर बात करें कि बिफोर टाइम, पास्ट टाइम की बात करें, तो पास्ट टाइम में कैसे रन करते हैं, पास्ट टाइम में कैसे ट्रैवल करते हैं कि आज से पहले बिफोर हाउ मेनी इयर्स अगो, 3000 years ago. Or if we talking about that Ramayan's period or 1000 BC, then 1000 BC means not 100 years ago. 1000 BC means 2000 plus 1000. Then how many? 3000 years back. 3000 years back. We are talking 3000 years back. So that's how the time travel. So I think you got it, all that things, how time travel and how can we find out the real time. So you studied about from here to here, from here to here, in that all the kings, Ashoka, Chandragupta, Samudragupta, Ashoka the Great, and then you studied about scriptures, that Vedas, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, all that thing. And then later you studied about the kings and kingdoms. So on here, we came here on 500 years or 500 CE or AD. So we will start from here and here. This is the medieval period. This is the medieval period where we discuss in whole class. So in this class we will discuss that changes, what changes comes to inform and what type of changes comes to inform today and aspect of many years back. As I mentioned you that our government formation also changed. Before many years ago we have king and kingdoms, but now we have democratic government. We elected our king. Our prime minister is also a king, but that prime minister is elected by us. So that also many things changes here. Many things changes here, like what we are wearing, our clothes. Our clothes also changes, our food also changes, our culture also changes. So many type of changes being here. We discuss all that thing. So we will start with our chapter. In our chapter you will find two type of map. Two maps are here. You will find two map. In that you will find two maps. In that the first map is like this. As you know that this symbol is showing the water. This symbol is the water and this is land. Okay, and here is the second map. Here is the second map. Here is the second map. This is water. And this is land. Now you can see the changes. Now changes, you can identify that this is the map of subcontinent of India. This is the map of subcontinent of India. Okay. Both maps are of subcontinent of India. This is also subcontinent of India. Both maps are subcontinent of India. Okay. Now, what you are seeing? This map is not subcontinent of India. No, this is and this is. Now we are discussing that here changes. What the changes are here? This map is made by a cartographer or a geographer. Al-Idrisi. This map is made by Al-Idrisi. Al-Idrisi. This map is made by Al-Idrisi when in 1154 CE. 1154 CE means on this year this map is made by Al-Idrisi on this year. Okay. Now Al-Idrisi was a geographer. And Arab geographer. So in this map many written things are also there, and that all things are written in Persian. All written things in which language? Arabic. Arabic. So this is the first. And second, this map is made by a French cartographer. A French cartographer. Cartographer means a person who makes map. Who makes a map. So this map is made by a French cartographer named Guillaume Delisle. Guillaume Delisle. Guillaume Delisle. This is the name of that French cartographer, and in this map, and when it is made in 1720 CE. So after almost there is difference between them 500 years, almost 500 years difference in both maps. In both maps 500 years different. 500 years. Okay. So this map is made by Arabian Al-Idrisi, and this map is made by French cartographer Guillaume Delisle. This map, as you can see that in today's aspect, we found India like this. In today's aspect, we found our India like this. This map is showing this area. Yes, Sri Lanka is. So we can find out easily that Arabians who made this map came through that side. And he see that the map is like that. That's why he made this one. वो यहाँ से आए होंगे, तो उन्होंने इंडिया को ऐसे ही देखा. That's why he made. But the French cartographer who comes from here, then they see India like this, then they made this one. So that is the changes we will discuss on our chapter. All that changes we will discuss. We will see you next video. Note down all things.